Help! We've had a message into Curiosity Box HQ from Meta and Masani. They're twins living out in Botswana, and they are sick and tired of really bad people trying to harm their animals. These people are called poachers, and they try and take the animals so that they can make money. It's really bad and a really big problem. So they have had a great idea. The animals they're talking about are things like elephants and rhinos, and everyone knows that they do enormous poos. So they had this idea that if they took some poo and they built a catapult, that they could launch the poo at the bad guys, then they would deter them from hurting the animals. They have asked your help to develop a catapult that can launch an enormous elephant poo at the poachers. In your Curiosity Box pack, you have all the materials you need to make a prototype catapult. You can make one that can launch a ping pong ball. Obviously, we don't want you launching elephant poo in the classroom because the teachers wouldn't like that very much. Try it with a ping pong ball, and if we can get that right, then they can transfer that into a big catapult that can launch animal poo, and you can help save the elephants and rhinos of Botswana. Are you with me, Curiosity Cadets? Have a great day. Work really hard developing those catapults and have fun.